Hi everyone, I'm Holly from Nutrafarms, and we're here with Chef D today. Chef D is going to show us how to make fried bacon potatoes using Nutrafarms cage-free bacon. It's a perfect side for any meal.
Holly, you are so right on this. This is not only maybe a great breakfast, but also if you're having burgers, and have you ever tried the Nutrafarms ground beef in a burger? You have to. Anyways, we're going to get started. So we're going to add our bacon, onion, and garlic. Again, we're frying it, so we want to hear that sizzle that we're hearing. And we're going to saute down the bacon and garlic and onions so the onions are translucent. And then we're going to add our potatoes. Now, for our potatoes, I have fingerling potatoes that we actually roasted off for another event, and we used them. But these are great. They're really fleshy, starchy, and they make great home fries or fried potatoes. And again, you can check out your local farmer's market or even your grocery stores, and they all have fingerling potatoes. Check them, roast them, you'll be so happy with them. As you can see, the onions have become translucent, and they're also starting to brown up just a little bit. That's what you're looking for. Great smell of bacon, onions, and garlic. It doesn't get much better than that. And then we're going to add in our potatoes. And the potatoes are golden brown, finished nicely. We're going to put them on a side plate. Again, breakfast, lunch, dinner, served with a great Nutrafarms burger. You have tasty, and what isn't better with bacon?